Today I'm going to be unboxing a Wantable box with you guys, and this is the Cozytober themed box. So Wantable is a styling service, and you can customize whenever you want your boxes to come. It's a $20 styling fee, and that does go toward anything that you do purchase from the box. But what I like to do is I just like to pick a theme. Sometimes they have like 5 to 7 themes going usually at the same time. And I'll just pick one that I really like and request it. I think the last box that I got from Wantable was the Coastal Chic. So I thought, what better way to get another box than the Cozytober? I am really looking forward to fall, even though it's not time yet here to start wearing our fall pieces. It's still pretty warm, but I am so excited to see what is inside this Wantable box. So let's go ahead and open it together. This is a big box to you guys, so I'm thinking there's gonna be some really cozy things. So at the very top, it does say styled for Amanda, and I'm just gonna get this out and we're gonna look at this bundle and see what is inside. I don't think I've ever gotten a bundle this big before, and things are just falling out of it. And I believe this one came with a free gift. So first thing in here is something that says collect all the 3 free Cozytober gifts worth over $200. Get a gift in every box you order. So it looks like they have the velvet belt bag, which I think is what I got. And then they have a nylon belt bag and then an eye mask, scrunchie, and a sock set. So here is the free gift that you get with this one if you do purchase something from this box. And it's really nice. It's a velvet belt bag in this black with gold trim. And really like this. This is very similar to some of the ones that I get off Amazon. It's got like 2 cargo pockets in the front and then this one in the back. So I really like this belt bag, and I think that this velvet's going to be really good for fall. And then of course you have your pre-printed shipping package to send anything back that you don't want. And then you have your stylist note and everything that is inside with the pricing. So I'll put that to the side. This is such a big bundle. Like, it's really high. So the first thing is this top. It looks like it's a scoop neck and it's a little bit fitted. I don't really go for fitted tops very much, but we'll try it out and see how it's going to be, because fitted tops usually show every lump and bump I have. It's from Gentle Fawn. It's the Nadira top in black, size medium, and it says it's $74. So we will have to see about that one. And then this feels really nice and soft. So this is from Thread and Supply. It's the Riley button-up top in white, size medium. Gosh, that's soft. And you can always use a good button-up as long as it's not a see-through. I don't like a white see-through. This is really pretty. So this is from Gentle Fawn as well. It's a sweater. It's the striped tucker sweater in heather cashew stripe, size medium. And I love the length of this one. It's not cropped looking, but it doesn't look like it's a very long one. And then it's got this really pretty stitching that's kind of different right here on the side. So we'll see how that one looks. It feels really soft. And there's something from Polygram. It's the Nashville Music City graphic tee in charcoal, size medium. This is super soft. And look at the colors in this. I mean, I live in East Tennessee, but I can always have a Nashville top. I love the colors. And this is super soft. Ooh, this feels good. So this is from Horizon, and it's the Alpine Snap Fleece jacket in navy blazer, size medium. It's got these zippers all over, and this is so incredibly soft, and the inside feels really good. And then it looks like a sleeveless sweater from RD Style. It is in this beige color, so a great neutral. And it is the Jezebel sleeveless crew neck pullover in sanded stone, size medium. And then this sweater, I think, was one that I had put to accept. It's from 78 and Sunny. It's the Fair Isle pattern chenille sweater in burgundy, size medium. Now this, I thought with chenille, is usually a little bit softer. This feels a little bit rough, but it does have this marled look. So open stitch detail. So we will see how all of this looks. So that is all the goodies in this box. I cannot wait to try them on with you. So this is the first thing that I decided to try on, and disregard, I did not get to steam this because of course I was just unboxing it and trying it on right after the unboxing. This is that button up, that white button up, and I don't think it's really see-through, and it's super soft. I really like the material that this one is made out of. Usually in button ups I try to size it to a large, but this medium seemed to fit, and there's plenty of room in this one. So it is a little bit longer in the back, so I'm probably going to just tuck it all the way around because I don't like how long it is in the back. But this is super soft and love this one. And I was reading the stylist notes, and my stylist was Taylor. She's the one that I've had I think since I began with Wantable. And she suggests to put the sleeveless sweater over top of this, so I'll do that, but I wanted to show you the button-up by itself, and then I'm gonna throw that sleeveless sweater over top of it so you can see how that looks. So you know the sweater vest trend is so popular for fall, so I do like how this looks over it. So you do have big armholes, and I just popped the collar over top of this. It does have this little ribbon detail here at the crew neck line. It's got some really nice cable knit detail on here. So I love the way that this does look together, and it does look good with trouser jeans or wide leg jeans like I have it on. With Wantable, you have 5 days to decide what you want, and if you keep at least 5 of the 7 items, then you do get a 25% off discount. And if you do have something that comes with the free item, like the velvet belt bag, you do have to keep at least 1 item in order to get that one for free. So the Riley button-up front top in white. So the button-up top is $66. It's from Thread and Supply. And then this sleeveless crew neck pullover is from RD Style, and it's actually on sale for $48.75. So a graphic tee doesn't really scream Cozytober to me, but I love this. It is so soft, and I like a great graphic tee, and this one has such beautiful colors in it, but I can't get over how soft this is. So I think I'm definitely gonna keep this one in. So I decided I'd just go ahead and put the fleece jacket over top of this just to see how this felt and how this looked. So it is a button. It doesn't have any zippers, and it does button pretty good. It's got all this zipper detail, and then your pockets also have a zipper detail, if I can find them. And inside the pocket is lined with this fuzzy fleece too, so really nice for this Sherpa. So I think I like this. I think it's a good length. Always can wear a navy, looks good with anything, and it feels really warm. And I love when you put your hands in a jacket that you feel soft and cozy on the inside of that too. So I really like that it has that Sherpa on the inside. But then the inside itself is kind of like a more of a cotton feel. So it doesn't have the Sherpa on the inside. But I think I like this. I think it fits really nice, and it's just gonna be a really good piece to have for when it starts to get cooler. So the Nashville graphic tee is from Polygram, and it's $49. And then the Alpine Snap fleece jacket from Horizon is $80. So I'm not sure about the price of this one, but we'll see what else there is. Next up is this sweater, and I love this oversized fit. I think it's really comfortable. It feels soft. It's got a good, like a shaker knitting to it. Love the stripe detail with this beige, and I also love a great V-neck. It's got that loose feel, which is just so comfortable. So I could front tuck it if I wanted to, but then I just think it's a good length. If I just wanted to leave it out and get that loose feeling, then I love it too. You got this really great stitching on the side, kind of like a panel stitching on the side. So I think I really like this. I just love how loose and comfortable and casual and warm this feels. It's more of a lightweight material, but I feel like it's still gonna be a little bit warm, even though it's not heavy. So this is from Gentle Fawn. It's the striped Tucker sweater in Heather Cashew stripe. It's $88. So when I was looking on the pricing sheet, it tells you which ones you requested. And it appears that this is the only thing that I requested that came in the box. So unfortunately, the one thing that I requested is the one thing that I really dislike a lot. I thought this was really pretty when I saw it on the model. I loved this open detail and then all of the like heathered marls look. And the color was really pretty. But this is so uncomfortable. It's itchy. It doesn't feel, it said chenille, and to me, chenille is like a softer, and I love how chenille feels, but this has got that eyelash material going through it, and it's shedding like crazy, but it's just very itchy and uncomfortable, so I think this one is definitely gonna have to go back. So this one is from 78 and Sunny. The Fair Isle pattern chenille sweater in burgundy, $74. So definitely, to me, not worth $74 because it's itchy and it's not really flattering either. When unboxing, this was the thing that I thought I would like the least because it's very tight. Now, I have struggled for just a minute trying to get this on as well. It is so tight. And then I turned it around backwards and had it on backwards because the back is super low, and I thought that was the front for some reason, so we had to struggle to get this on. But I don't like how low it is in the back. I don't know, I feel very uncomfortable. It's so tight, so I feel so uncomfortable in this one. This is from Gentle Fawn, and it's the Nadira top in black, $74. So definitely not worth it for me. So for this box, the total for everything was $479.75. And if you get at least 5, you get that 25% discount, which would take $95.95 off after the styling fee credit and sales tax and everything. The total for the entire box, if I decided to keep all 7 items, would be $399.27. So when thinking about all the things, I'm thinking I definitely want to keep that Nashville graphic because it's super soft, and you can layer that under cardigans and things like that and just make it really fun and wear it, all throughout the year because you can wear it in summer without anything. And then I think I like the beige and white striped sweater. I thought it was really comfortable, and I liked how it felt. And then I love the white button down. It's just super soft, and you can't go wrong with a white button down. It's so versatile to have as a staple. Even though it's a little pricey for a white button down, you can keep it in your closet forever. It's never gonna go out of style. You can wear it with blazers and things like that. And then I love the navy Sherpa jacket. So I'm thinking that's all I really want to keep. I do like that sleeveless sweater, but I'm not sure how much I will wear that look. So I don't know if I should keep that one. So let me know down in the comments which items that you liked, if you would keep anything at all, and what you thought overall about the themed Cozytober. Did you think that it really matched with the theme? So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.